next, then you can do all locations. But me personally, if I was just starting out, even if I was a business that was up and running and doing well, I would still put all locations, because I want to look at what the options are out there and to see about me finding staff in those locations, because it's not you that's going to be going out covering the care. You don't want to be working in your business, you want to be working on your business. So it's not about you going out to cover the care. Okay, so I put all locations. You can even here put awarded contracts, and then you can see those that have been awarded contracts, and then look at working in partnership with them by subcontracting with them. And then you've then got your references for your organization, so that you can provide that when you're looking at applying for the bigger contracts. You have to take things step by step when you're just starting out. Otherwise, you can't handle something which is too big for you. Okay, it's like if you go into a gym, you're not going to go straight and pick up the heaviest weight in the gym. You're going to pick up the smaller weight first till you get customized and get strong, and you build up your strength, your stamina, and then you go on to the next level, and then the next level, then the next level. And this is the important thing that you need to remember as a new starter, that you want to go into it in a steady way that's not going to overwhelm you. So I'm just going to press search. Hope that's making sense to everyone. And the results have come up here. Yeah, you can see, excellent, good. So the results have come up here. So there's lots of different types of contracts. You'll need to register in order to be able to express an interest, but you don't need to register to have a look at contract opportunities. So this is, let's have a look here. Health industry, locations, London, tells you the value of the contract here. Published, the approach to market date is the 15th. The contract start date will be the 1st of April, 2023. It also says here that it is suitable for SME, for small to medium-sized enterprises. So this is something which you can look at applying for. And I'm just reading through, you have to read through the descriptions to make sure that you meet the criteria. That's for messages. If so, questions have now been closed. Prior to the deadline for submission, 12 noon. So this one is, it's not open. So let's go, because there's the deadline. So you have to look to make sure you read through things and that it makes sense for your organization. However, yeah, so that one's done. Let's have a look at the next one. So this one's closing date is the 14th. So there's still time for this one, for example. So you have to just look through to see whether you're able to provide that service. So like for this is suitable for SME, but the closing date is the 22nd of August for this one. If you specialize in mental health or you're a healthcare professional, then there's no reason why. You just need to read through and see what it is that they're asking. And then you would then express an interest, but you need to be able to register in order to just press the registration button here in order to actually be able to express an interest. So I'm just showing you where they are. This one says non-clinical staffing. Let's see what the closing date is. Approach to market. Suitable for SMEs. And this is with the Crown Commercial Service. And this is for non-clinical, temporary and fixed term staff. So where it says that the invitation to tender will be issued via, and they've given you the website here. It's telling you what the budget is. So you have to follow the descriptions in the, follow the instructions in the description, which it's saying invitation to tender, which is this, for example, and this is Crown Commercial. Now that one looked like quite a good one, so I just wanted you to know that as well. So that is a good example about where to find contracts, okay? And learning how to submit a tender in terms of how to find the contract, and then you can express an interest. But you need to look and read through to make sure you meet the criteria as well, and that you're able to answer the tender questions, which will be related to what the buyer and the service is about, to ensure that you're able to provide a positive